Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, that sounds too much like Sylvia, but welcome to my collection. I did not get the whole collection because, you know, I'm broke. But I did get, this is the proof that I bought it from Kylie Cosmetics. Okay. So basically I got two things and it comes with a card like always. And I got the Kylie Jenner Love Set, which the Love Set comes with three lip products, a lip liner, a liquid lipstick, and a high gloss. And then the packaging is really cute. It's like kisses and pink and glitter and red. And then I got the eyeshadow palette, which I already swatched the eyeshadow palette, and oh my god. Some of the shades are so like pink. Like, I love pink. Okay. So it basically has little, like, it's shiny and it has little bralettes on it. And then in the inside it has like the underwear packaging, like Valentine's Day. And then this is really thick, like, and then the packaging of the palette's pink with the Kylie on it. And this kind of reminds me of the Manny and A palette, not like the shades, but how heavy the packaging feels. It's just, and the magnetic closure, and also this, because this is like pretty thick. And yeah, so this is what the shades look like. It's actually a really pretty palette when you swatch it. And then that's all I got, and then it did come in a lot of packaging, so it was really packed well. This kind of packaging, this is just a plastic insert, and yeah. So let's swatch the lip liner first. This lip liner is called, I believe it's called Wish You Are a Gem. That's the lip liner name. That's how the lip liner swatches. Trying to get a good lip liner is like packaging pink unlike the other ones. And this one is, so it's more gold and pink, if you can see that. So that's the lip products, oopsies. And it also, the packaging also has the to and from on the back if you want to give it to anybody. And then this is the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette, oh, the pinks in here. So the shades are Heartthrob, Blush, Be Mine, Romance, Kinda Classy, and Love Bug, which are all shimmers. And then the second row is Princess, Pink Problems, February, Candy Heart, First Day, and Admirer, which the first three are neutral browns and pinks. These two, one's a hot pink and one's a hot red, and then one's a brown, which is this one. Posy K is more purpley pink. Posy K is on top, and then the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, but I don't have a primer in here, do I? My love. I'm going to prime my eyelids with this. I'm just going to put a little bit on that, and I'm going to take this and prime my eyelids. After I did that with the Animal Clay Foundation, this is a Quate Beauty brush. I got it in a kit of 6 brushes or 5, something like that. And I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Princess. I'm going to use Princess shade on there in that brush. Then I'm going to use this Fair Beauty brush, and this one's a 35E brush, and I'm going to use the shade February, which is the the third shade on the bottom, which is pink. Then, I don't want to use that brush. Not that brush either. I want a Morphe brush, but I don't know which Morphe brush is suitable. Okay, so I'm going to use this Morphe 518 brush, which does have pigment already on it, which I wiped off because, yeah, it's just, I don't wash my brushes often, which I should. Then I'm going to take the Candy Heart shade, which, sorry about the mirror. I'm going to take this shade, this pink shade. So I used this one in my crease. This has setting, crease, and then now I'm using Candy Heart, which is that hot pink, which is a really nice shade. There's a little bit fallout and probably a little bit of kickback with these. But that's with all shades. I'll buff it like on the outer corner. Ooh. That's so pigmented. I love that pink shade. And I'm going to do the same thing. I feel like when I pick up tons of product, it doesn't blend the way I like it to. More like on my lid than anything. I'm putting this my Morphe M431, and I'm basically going to take some product in my, like, under my waterline, is that what it's called? And I'm going to take the shade Admirer. That's basically when I put my brush in it, what it looks like. Really doing what, I'm just swishing it back and forth at the bottom. Corner, and then I'm going to put Love Bug a little bit as well. Because I really can't decide which one. So I'm digging in to be mine. Off my hand because I don't have makeup wipes down here. And then I'm just going to put on the rest of my face, and I'll see you with my lip products. Okay, so I have my whole face on, lashes, everything, mascara. So basically now we're going to get into the three of the products, the liquid lipstick and Wish You Were Here, the lip liner in Your Gym, and the sweet gloss. So I already swatched them. So I'm just going to put the lip liner on now. And I have my mirror. So after the Your Gym lip liner, I'm going to put the Wish You Were Here liquid lipstick on, which is the pink pack. That as best as possible. So now I'm going to up close on my face, which looks so bad, but this is the lipstick. And the lip gloss in, I had to look for it, the lip gloss in Sweet, which, by the way, let me swoop this. See? So then I'm going to put the gloss on top of this. Oh, I love it. Sticky. So this is what it looks like with the gloss on top. This is my eye look. So my overall thoughts on this is it's worth your money. The lipstick retails for $42. It comes with usually the lip liner and the liquid lipstick is usually they are $29 for that, and then the glosses retails for $19, I believe, something like that, because if you buy them all separately it's $44, and if you buy the liquid lip set and a lip gloss, that's like $44, and this retails for $42, and the cute packaging. The palette retails for $45. Let me look. I'm gonna look at what the package. Doesn't tell me, but I paid $87, so I think the palette retails for $45. And you get great colors. They're not for everyday wear. Some of them are. You can use them every day. And the packaging is nice and thick. Not like as thick as the mini MUA palette. It's probably great to travel with. And none of the shades came broken, nothing. The palette does smell chemically though, but yeah, that's the only thing I really noticed. The palette does smell like chemically, but I don't know what's up with that. But overall, the makeup is good. Excuse me. And I really like it. I really enjoy the eye look I created. Feel to this look. Ooh. Definitely gives a new feel to this look. So subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below what you'll want to see next. I might do it, I might not. So yeah.